So, welcome back, students. Today we are going to deal with the poem, the ball poem by John Berryman from your book First Flight. Okay. So, first we discuss about the poet. John Berryman was an American poet. Okay. Uh, Here we discuss about the poet. About the poet John Berryman. John Berryman was an American poet and scholar. He is the best known for the Dream Songs in 1969, which was a sequence of 385 poems. He won Pulitzer Prize for the Dream Songs and he also won National Book Award. Okay, so this is about our poet John Berryman who wrote this poem, Ball Poem. Now first we go through the first para. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What? What is he to do? I saw it go, merrily bouncing down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. So what do you mean by this first para, these four lines? That what is the boy now? The boy is playing with the ball and his ball is thrown into the water. Now what is the boy now? अब वो बॉय क्या करेगा? अब वो बॉय क्या कर रहा है जब उसकी बॉल पानी में जा चुकी है, जिससे कि वो इतनी देर से उसके साथ में खेल रहा था. Who has lost his ball? और अब वो अपनी बॉल खो चुका है. What is he to do? अब वो क्या करेगा जब उसकी बॉल उसके पास नहीं है और वो अपनी बॉल से बहुत अटैच है, क्योंकि वो दिन रात उस बॉल के साथ खेलता है. और कुछ चाइल्डहुड में बच्चों की, बड़ों की भी आदत होती है कई बार हम किसी चीज़ों से बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच हो जाते हैं और जिन्हें हम खोने पर हमें बहुत फील होता है. वी आर फीलिंग वेरी इमोशनल with our things because we are too much attached with our things. And same here with this boy who was attached with his ball and he has lost his ball into the water. And now what is he to do? अब वो क्या करेगा? I saw it go. I, who is I here refer to? I here refers to John Berryman, poet. Okay. Now poet says that saw it go. Poet कहते हैं कि मैं उस बॉल को जाते हुए देख रहा हूँ, मैं उस बच्चे की कंडीशन देख रहा हूँ, उसकी सिचुएशन देख रहा हूँ, जो कि अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैरिली बाउंसिंग उस बॉल को बाउंस कर रहा था, अप एंड डाउन कर रहा था, स्ट्रीट में खेल रहा था. एंड देन मैरिली ओवर,